Alright, today we're going to be making Osamason Type Beats, a new artist in the underground that has recently started popping off, and I love his crazy sound. So we're just gonna have a go at it and make something crazy. I've made the melody. I'm just gonna run you through it and then mix the melody and we'll add some drums. So this is what the melody sounds like as of now. We're working in D minor here and our chord progression is 1, 3, 4. I created another pattern as well and just added this section to go down, but that's basically the chord progression. This sound is Machine from Citrus. The next one we have is a pluck from the Shinju Bank, and it's literally just a 2-note pluck at the start, following the key again. And next we have a preset from Surge called Barelish, in the just literally playing one note in the D minor key. So yeah, let's give it a mix. You can watch my whole mixing process and see how I go about it. And yeah. Yeah, so for this section I'm just trying to add some panning to it, possibly. Just trying to figure out how I could, maybe just using a shaper box, but we'll see how we go. Use this. Oh, you can change the speed. Sweet. Alright. Oh god. Now we're just going to add the basically the drums now, so we'll get into it. I've already got a 808 selected. I might change it if need be, but it's the 808 from the Trinity drum kit with synthetic and Dinox, the 3 Young Thug 808, just hard hitting long note basically. let's get into it. Let's try and figure out what snare to use. these snares because I like the sound of both of them, just to make that more of a brighter sound. We'll have a look. Copy that over. Sweet. Alright, I don't like the sound of this hi-hat, so I'm going to change it. Actually, no, there's actually like a really good distortion plugin on FL. I'm pretty sure it's called like Hardcore. Yeah, this shit's underrated. just gonna arrange it. Alright, that is done. The beat is done. I'll have the stems and project files in Patreon for you to download. Thanks for the love, guys, and I'll keep on uploading shortly. Peace.